Crawfish dip. Or you can substitute shrimp if you can't get crawfish or you don't like them. But this is a great dip for any time, but think of it for game day or for Mardi Gras. Most of it will be done in the crock pot. It will be melted, mixed, and left on warm, so you can use the crock pot to keep it warm throughout your party. But I'm warning you, it won't last that long. Let's get started on Darlene's table. The vegetables that go into this. There's 3 tablespoons of butter in here, melted butter. Green bell pepper, red bell pepper, celery, onion, jalapeno, seeded, and garlic. So we're going to saute all this. I'm going to put the salt and pepper on it while it's being sauteed. This will cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Then after 4 to 6 minutes, I'm going to add the paprika and the cayenne pepper. Mix that real well, let the flavors come out, and then it'll go into the crock pot. So I've already put 2 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 1 pound of Velveeta, and 1 1/4 cups of Tillamook white cheddar cheese. Okay, so this is our crock pot. It's a 6-quart. I'm going to select manual, high, and it's going. In the meantime, I'm cooking the vegetables. I love the smell of these vegetables sauteing. Need a little longer on this. I'm going to add the red pepper, and I'm using smoked paprika. I just thought it smelled good before. Paprika in there. Alright, the vegetables are ready. This will go into the crock pot. Alright, in with the vegetables that we just sauteed. Oh yeah. And this is 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire and 2 teaspoons of Tabasco. 2 tablespoons of Creole mustard. I believe it's 2 tablespoons. Might be 1 tablespoon, but it's in the recipe. And a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Now I'm using crawfish. 1 pound of these are already cooked. Crawfish tails, you can buy them in 1 pound packages, but make sure they're from Louisiana. The ones from China have a fairly good taste, but they're like rubber, at least my experience. So if it doesn't say they're from Louisiana, I would recommend you not use them. All right, so I'm going to set my timer. We're going to do about 45 minutes, but I'm going to set it for 30 and come back and give this a good stir. I'm going to cover this. No need to clamp it. It's fine. Okay. So, oh yes, this looks really good. All melted. Look at that. Nice. All right, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a little over 1/2 cup of parsley, 1 cup of green onion. Look at that. Now this one, like I said, I made this with crawfish, but you can substitute shrimp, especially if you can't get crawfish or you don't like the taste. Crawfish is one of those things that you either love or not at all, and we love them. All right, this is ready to be served. We made this video before Mardi Gras, and it kind of got lost in the mix. We didn't want to wait until next year, or next Mardi Gras, to post it, so here it is. It is crawfish season here. Crawfish dip is extremely easy and very cheesy. My husband makes me say this stuff, but he's right. This dip is so easy to make, and the folks that have tried it love it. Now, like I said in the beginning, you can substitute shrimp if you don't care for crawfish. That will work just fine. This dip is going to our friends next door. They are having a get-together and requested this for their party. I hope you give this a try soon, and please let me know what you think. Of course, you can find this recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. God bless, and thanks as always for watching Darlene's Table.